Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money fast if you are broke. Alright, I'm talking about you got nothing. Alright, maybe you got a couple dollars, right, in your account, and you're like, yo, I need to make some money. What can I do? Alright, so the method I'm going to share with you is one that to me is time tested, and I talked about a million times, and super easy to do, and you can start right now today. All right, and that method is eBay. All right, and you might be like, oh man, I know about eBay. Well, if you know about eBay, you should be making money right now instead of watching this video. All right, but keep watching this video. All right, but no, seriously, eBay is still one of the easiest ways that you can make money online. So you might be thinking, oh man, I'm broke, I ain't got time for eBay. Yes, you do, because it takes you a few minutes to create an account, right? So once you set up your account, right, you're ready to sell, you need to look around, find stuff, right? Remember, if you broke, right? So I'm sure you got something around the house that you can, that you don't use, you don't want. Find it and post it. Take good pictures, make a good price, put it online, put it on eBay, and see what happens. Now you might be like, dude, I said I'm broke. I don't even got nothing. I got rid of everything already, man. I'm broke. Okay. Do you got any relatives? You got any friends that might have some junk, or to junk to them, right? Do they have any things that they don't use, they don't want, they're willing to give you that you can put on eBay? Do not feel like because it's junk to you or somebody else, that junk could be worth something. They might want that. They might want that old VCR, right? Think about it. They might want that blender that still works. They might want that iPod that you don't use no more. Think about it, right? So say you're like, all right, bro, I said I'm broke. I don't got nothing. My friends don't got nothing. I don't got access. Okay. Go to Craigslist. There's a section on Craigslist that it says free stuff. Search that. Search your little local area. And a lot of times you find stuff people are actually just giving away because they don't want to deal with posting. They don't want to deal with people and money and this and that. They give stuff away free on Craigslist. And I'm not sure, but I'm sure they probably do. You could even check Facebook groups for like free stuff. I'm sure they got groups where people are just giving their stuff away they don't want to deal with. That is a great way, guys, to get some fast money. Yeah, it takes a little bit of hustle, but like I said, if you broke and you try to get money, you got to do what you got to do legally, right? Unless you do something illegal, I don't know. But this is a way, guys, that you can generate some money and fairly fast, right? And you'll be surprised what you can come across, and you'll also be surprised what people are buying on eBay. And not only if you the same things that you put on eBay to sell, you can put them for sale on in Facebook groups in your area. So every city that I know of, they have some sort of buy, sell, and trade group on Facebook. So all you got to do, get on your Facebook, do a little type, and put whatever city you're in. Buy, sell, and trade Cleveland, Ohio. Buy, sell, and trade Los Angeles, whatever. And you'll see groups. Join those groups and start posting the same things you're posting on eBay, or different things, whatever. Start posting stuff. You got old toys, holiday season coming up. You got toys, you got furniture that you don't want or you don't use or whatever. Old CDs, right? That's all about the hustle. It's all about the grind, guys. This is a great way to start making some money and doing it pretty fast. Another side, a bonus, so to speak, way that you can make some money if you're absolutely broke is to become a freelancer. And I talk about this all the time, but you can go to different sites like Upwork, what's the other one? Even Fiverr, you can do stuff like that. But I will start with Upwork first. and do a search, right? For if you got any experience with graphic design, you know, uh, editing videos, anything like that, you can actually get paid because people are always looking for people to do stuff like that. So you might be thinking, dude, my guy, I don't have any like computer experience. I don't mess with computer like that, bro. All right, up sites like Upwork, they also offer things like, you know, making cold calls or dealing with like customer support issues, or you could even do like run different errands for people like locally, right? I talked about in other videos where some people just need pictures taken of different things. You can do that, right? So get on there. Like I said, take a little time, take an hour or two, get on there once you got an account and just look for stuff. Look for stuff that you can do from home. Look from stuff that's local to you. And that is another way that you can earn some money if you're broke. All right. So guys, hopefully this video helped you out or even inspired you to, you know, create some other ideas. But there's money out there, guys, especially if you're just looking for just some extra cash just to get you through, you know, buy some things, pay some bills. You definitely can do that, guys. And once you do start getting your hustle on and find those ways to make money, you need to put that money, once you get situated, take that money and start putting it into things that can make you more money. Start a business, start investing and doing other stuff like that, guys, because there's money out there to be got. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Comment below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.